So this patient Kunal Sharma is from Jammu actually, and 15 days back he called me and he said I have got your number and everything from Google or YouTube or something, some social media.
मेरा नाम कुणाल शर्मा है। मेरे को गोल्फ खेलते वक्त हाथ में इंजरी हो गई थी। इंजरी के कारण मेरी फिंगर की टेंडन पूरी तरह से डिसलोकेट हो रही थी।
इन्होंने हमें कहा कि मेरी फिंगर में कुछ ऐसा होता है कि मेरा जो है ये जो टेंडन होता है यहाँ कुछ है जो स्लिप होता है बार बार। सो देन आई टोल्ड हिम दैट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली द डायग्नोसिस ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सीन यू क्लिनिकली, बट एक डायग्नोसिस अगर हम बनाए तो दैट विल बी लाइक सैजिटल बैंड इंजरी।
सैजिटल बैंड इंजरी डॉक्टर गिरीश ने डायग्नोस की, और इस इंजरी का की समझ आई थिंक और अवेयरनेस थोड़ी कम है, मुझे लगता है, एटलीस्ट हमारी कंट्री में।
तो देन इनको ऐसा लगा कि नहीं जयपुर इज फार अवे, so then he went to Delhi, and Delhi he showed to some orthopedic surgeon there and he showed my online prescription also. So online prescription दिखाया तो then they also thought about sagittal band and they got an MRI done, and MRI में they reported that there is a sagittal band injury. So then he was very confident that I have diagnosed his disease properly, and then he came to us Jaipur in Eternal Hospital. He came to us and he said we want to get surgery done if surgery is required. So we got another modality which is skeletal ultrasound is dynamic. So what we have done is we have got a ultrasound scan done. So this is dynamic. So tendon is slipping in and out. When you flex your finger, the tendon goes out. So USG is a better modality to understand the sagittal band injury, whether it is in how the tear is going, it going radially or horizontally or longitudinally or what. So we went inside, हम अंदर गए, हम एक्सप्लोर किया तो हमें वही टेयर मिला, हमने उस टेयर को फ्री किया and then we sutured it very nicely, we repaired it, and then we checked for the tendon excursion also कि tendon is not slipping again, and then we closed the wound. So sagittal band injury is very very uncommon, and another thing is very undiagnosed, and then patient is most of the time thinking that why to go for surgery and why, because but it is very troubling. So this guy is a golfer. Golf definitely needs your finger movement, everything, and his injury was also during the golf. So while playing golf he got this injury and he wanted to play further also. So that's why he came for a definitive treatment to us. So hopefully I think get well soon, Kunal. I think he will be all right, right? So we are discharging him today. I think he'll be all right in 6 to 8 weeks.